How to hide and remove repost button on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and as you do that, you'll be able to see the repost option over here. Now, one of the ways to remove or hide the repost button on Instagram is to tap on the repost button, and here you can simply tap on unrepost these reels or videos or the post over here. So when you do that, you'll be able to see, refresh the page, and you can see there's no repost button. Next, what you can do is tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner, and then simply scroll down and tap on sharing and reuse, and simply tap on repost and post and reels and just toggle it off. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.